Which automatic wire stripping machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1: VEVOR Electric Wire Stripping Machine. Let's kick things off with the VEVOR Electric Wire Stripping Machine. Priced at $209.90, this machine caught my eye thanks to its impressive 4.8-star rating from over 500 reviews. If you want a reliable and efficient wire stripper that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. With 7 different stripping holes, it handles a range of wire sizes from 0.06 inches to 0.98 inches. This means you can quickly switch between various wires without hassle. Plus, it's got visible stripping depth references, so you can see exactly what you're doing, which really takes the guesswork out of the process. I mean, who doesn't want to strip wires without the constant worry of messing up? Now, some people complained about its weight being a bit on the heavier side. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about wire stripping, a sturdy machine like this is going to last longer and perform better. It's a trade-off, but one that many users find worth it for the efficiency it provides. This is perfect for you if you work with wires regularly or run a small business. Skip this one if you're just looking for something to strip a few wires now and then. You might not need something this robust. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a tighter budget. Product number 2, CREWRKS 180W Electric Wire Stripper. Next up is the CREWRKS 180W Electric Wire Stripper, priced at $169.99. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 2,600 reviews, this machine strikes a good balance between cost and performance. It has 5 feed holes that accommodate a range of 0.06 to 1 inch, making it versatile for different projects. The ergonomic design means you can operate it comfortably, and with an emergency stop feature, your safety is prioritized. Now, some users mention that the setup can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with such machines. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward and saves you a lot of time compared to manual options. This is great if you're looking for a reliable machine that's portable for various job sites. Skip this one if you need something extremely heavy-duty, as it might not hold up to the most rigorous demands. If the price of the last one was a concern, you might find this next product even more appealing. Product number 3, Stripmeister Original Drill-Powered Wire Stripper. Coming in third is the Stripmeister Original Drill-Powered Wire Stripper, priced at $129. This one has a solid 4.7-star rating from over 4,500 reviews, so you know it has a good reputation. If you want something portable and easy to use, this is a fantastic option. The cool part: it can handle wire sizes from 1/8 inch to 3/4 inch, making it perfect for various projects. Plus, it's built from aircraft-grade aluminum, so it's durable and designed for heavy use. That said, some users found that it requires a bit of setup to get the drill attached properly. I'll be real with you, if you don't mind a little initial effort, the speed and efficiency you gain are totally worth it. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and small recyclers who need something that's both effective and easy to carry. Skip this one if you don't have a drill handy or if you need something that operates independently. Alright, that was an interesting option. But if you need something more advanced, the next product might just blow you away. Product number 4, VEVOR Electric Wire Stripping Machine 370W. Now, let's take a look at the VEVOR Electric Wire Stripping Machine with 370W power, retailing for $339.90. With a 4.6-star rating from 250 reviews, this machine is a powerhouse. If you're serious about scrap recycling or need high efficiency, this is definitely worth your attention. It handles wires ranging from 0.06 to 1.5 inches, which makes it versatile for larger projects. The transparent acrylic panel lets you see the operation clearly, and its lightweight design makes it easy to move around. However, it's a bit on the pricier side, and not everyone may need that level of performance. But if you're processing large amounts of wire regularly, investing in this can save you tons of time and effort. This is great for serious recyclers or businesses looking to streamline their operations. Skip this one if you only have a few wires to strip, as it might be overkill for your needs. Now, if the price on this one gave you pause, the last option might surprise you with its value. Product number 5, CREWORKS Manual Wire Stripper Machine. Finally, we have the CREWORKS Manual Wire Stripper Machine, priced at just $64.99. With a 4.3-star rating from 3,800 reviews, this is the budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. If you want something simple and effective without breaking the bank, this is your go-to. It accommodates wires from 0.06 to 1 inch, which covers most of your basic needs. The steel blade maintains its sharpness, ensuring clean cuts every time, and the lightweight design makes it easy to transport. Some users mentioned it can be a bit labor-intensive compared to electric options. But let's be honest, if you're only stripping a small amount of wire, this machine does the job without the need for electricity. This is perfect for hobbyists or anyone looking to strip occasional wires. Skip this one if you're dealing with larger volumes of wire, as you might find the manual operation tedious. To wrap things up, we've seen a range of options from budget-friendly to high-powered machines. Each one has its strengths, so consider your needs carefully to find the right fit for you. So to quickly recap, the VEVOR electric wire stripping machine is great for reliability. The CREWORKS 180W offers solid performance on a budget. The Stripmeister provides portability and speed, while the second VEVOR model is perfect for serious recyclers. Lastly, the CREWORKS manual stripper is your best bet if you're looking for a simple and affordable solution.